My company's Target, the service I'm offering is called CoinPay. Executive summary. Target will start accepting cryptocurrency as a new type of payment method to get ahead of its competition. Cryptocurrency will offer Target an unbelievable set of benefits over other payments. Cryptocurrency have low transaction fees, little fraud, and chargeback chances, and will also increase sales. The company overview. Target was founded in 1902 in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's an American retail corporation. Target sells an extensive range of household goods, food, pet supplies, apparel, accessories, electronics, decor, and other items. The brand is designed for all, and its influential brand voice is cool, trendy, stylish, and fresh. Target appeals is strongly centered among people from the ages of 25 to 44. Target have a discounted pricing strategy and a focus on customer experience, which helps the brand maintain its competitive position in the retail industry. Target's mission statement. Our mission is to make Target the preferred shopping destination for our guests by delivering outstanding value, continuous innovation, and exceptional guests by consistently fulfilling our expect more, pay less brand promise. Analysts of Target's current digital marketing efforts. Target's value proposition that makes the company attractive to their customers is their low prices and their products is accessible and convenient. Target uses newer online marketing tools available to web merchants such as effective ads and tools that show customers that that inventory currently available at local stores. Target was one of the first mass retail stores to make their products available through Instagram checkout, which you can see to the right with all the tags. Target used paid research where search engines like Google and Bing allow Target to show ads on their search result page. Summary analysis. One of Target's biggest strengths is that it uses mass marketing and direct marketing to increase its customer base brand. The brand has launched ad campaigns in both electronic and print media. Target has a solid social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Target sends direct emails to its customers notifying them about special deals and product release. Weakness. Target's approach, it's very effective to get customers to spend money online and in stores, so I couldn't find any weakness. New product, CoinPay. The objective, Target will start accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment in the U.S. CoinPay is a new service that offers easy, secure, and private ways to pay. CoinPay was seamlessly linked to a Bitcoin wallet. Customers will need a Bitcoin wallet. It's like a type of device, platform, app, or software that supports Bitcoin transfers and withdrawals. The key audience for this new product is well-educated to moderate to better income families with a median of 64,000 and who live active lifestyles. The action plan. Target will use content marketing to promote CoinPay on all social media platforms. The first tactic would be Target will promote the new release of CoinPay on Twitter to target millennials and Gen Z audience, which will drive traffic to their website. Tactic 2, post a video on Reel on Target's Instagram demonstrating how easy to use CoinPay via mobile app. Tactic 3, Target will start adding CoinPay option directly underneath Apple Pay on online orders on the Target mobile app and Instagram checkout. Tactic 4, Target will use Facebook paid advertising to boost an existing post with a CoinPay post from Target's Facebook page. Action Plan 2. The strategy we are going to use is email marketing to help Target connect with our audience to promote CoinPay and increase sales. Tactic 1, the abandoned cart method, will help us connect with people who are once engaged with Target, and it will gently push them to purchase items with CoinPay. Tactic 2, personalized emails. Using customer data to personalize emails will help with increasing sales and converting customers. Customers acquisition. Target will start offering 20% off CoinPay Refer a Friend bonus. Through CoinPay referral program, customers can earn up to 20% off referring a friend or family. To refer a friend who hasn't used CoinPay, they must use a referral code. The person must sign up with CoinPay at target.com/CoinPay, and when checking out with CoinPay, Target will award both customers with 20% off. Evaluation. The evaluation of Target's success can be determined through Open Clicks. Open Clicks measures how Target's subject line and campaign content resonates with particular people. Click-through rate, a metric that measures the numbers of clicks an advertisers receive on their ads per numbers of impression. Website conversion rate. The website conversion rate shows the percentage of website visitors that take the desired action on Target's website, such as downloading the app or using CoinPay. Engagement. Customers' engagement is related to the overall profitability, as engaged users are more likely to buy and become repeat customers and share CoinPay with other people. And that's it.